I'll give you the answer. Okay. Now, this side, let's reminisce last year's pageant and let us welcome back here on stage as she have her last walk as the reigning Miss Kanakman 2023. A round of applause everybody for her farewell walk, Miss Antoinette B. Silver.
Good evening, everyone. I am Antoinette Berlusona from Barangay Dilaga, your Miss Kanakman 2023. Winning the crown was a rough journey for me. I had to fall multiple times and stand back up every time I failed before I could finally feel the weight of the crown on my head. Regardless, I'm thankful for having it the hard way because my victory feels a lot sweeter when I already had it. The hardships I had to go through taught me a lot of things like dedication, perseverance, and passion. But as the saying goes, no man is an island. It will be impossible to be where I am today without the people behind my success. Hence, I would like to thank my family and friends for their endless support, their heartwarming dedication to support me from start to present. Serve as my motivation to do more and be more. I would like to thank my pageant team. They are the ones who shaped me to be the beauty queen that I am today. I feel blessed and lucky to have you guys as my team. I would like to thank my beloved barangay for allowing me to represent my barangay, Dilaga. Even if I failed and was let down more than once, these people push me to continue dreaming, to never lose hope, and to persevere until I am where I long to be. Tonight, as I sign off as your Miss Kanakman 2023, I will be passing on the crown for another dream fulfilled. Congratulations to all the ladies. Win or lose, this will surely be not the end. Rather, a beginning to start a new story. My reign may have come to an end, but I will eternally hold on to my crown and title as Miss Kanakman 2023 in virtue, in spirit, and in honor.
Thank you very much to Miss Kanakman 2023, Miss Antoinette.